Here are the results to my second secret YouTube automation channel.
Let's begin.
Between the date of March 21st and May 31st, less than 40 days, I got about 1.1 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers, excuse me, and 125K views. 125,000 views.
Huh?
Let's go to the analytic. Like I said, this channel have 20 to 22 videos. You know, let's say that. We're gonna go to overview so we can see more data. We're gonna go to the traffic source. All right. Once we get into traffic source, let's check out to see what's bringing all the traffic for this particular channel. You know what I decided to do?
Dave, listen up, please.
Let's say channel one. Channel one is this. At the end of channel one, I added this channel video so I can do free promo. This is basically what we're doing. And that is the reason why you can see the end screen. End screen view, we got about 31,000, 36,000, I believe. Yeah, 36, not I believe, it is what it is. That's exactly why we have 36,000. Playlist, once again, every time I'm starting a YouTube channel, playlist is my #1 way to get things moving. You can see here 31,000 views for playlist, channel page 28,000 views, YouTube search 14,000 views. The goal is to get YouTube search to be the #1 traffic source. Right now YouTube search is at number 4. Browse feature 5,000, suggested videos 4,000 and change, and the list goes on. Suggested browse and YouTube search are always the top 3 traffic source, but you can see on this channel, end screen, playlist, and channel pages are actually the top 3 traffic source because this channel is brand new. That is the reason why. Yeah, that's the reason why. The traffic got to be coming from somewhere, but eventually we want YouTube to take over and push majority of the traffic automatically. That's with suggested views, that is with the browse feature, and then we just want YouTube search to take over. End screen is like us basically promoting our own videos at the end of the current video. Hope I'm making sense.
Now let's go make some money!
So that is basically it. I'm just trying to show you guys that there's different tactics you can use to grow a brand new YouTube channel or to grow a YouTube automation channel. It's not luck, you just got to put in the work. As long as you put in out videos, you will have enough videos that will be collecting data, and once you analyze those data, it will be easy for you to make adjustments and keep things moving, keep the movement growing, keep the channel growing, keep the flow moving. You get the point. So that is basically it. Thank you. See you in the next vid.
That's it! Cut!